Hello friends, this is Mr. Exploro and today we are going to learn about the biological classification and its modification over time. In biological classification, organisms are arranged into a hierarchical series of groups, which is done on the basis of similarities and differences. Now the question arises here is, why do we need classification? The answer of this question is very simple and logical. Classification helps us to know about the entire group from a bunch of characters. It also helps in identification of organisms. Moreover, it helps to identify the relationship between the different group of organisms. Now let's look on the some of the method of classification which existed once before. First, artificial classification by Aristotle. It was based on morphological characters. He classified the organism into anema, which have red blood, and anema, which don't have red blood. He also classified the animals on the basis of habitat in which they live, like aquatic, terrestrial, aerial, etc. Second, artificial classification of plants. Plants were classified on the basis of size and habitat, like herbs, shrubs, and trees. Although this system of classification have lots of drawback. Third, natural system of classification. It was first proposed by Bentham and Hooker for seed plants in their book Genera Plantarum. They used comparative study of organisms using multiple characters. Fourth, two-kingdom classification. It was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. He divided organisms into plant kingdom and animal kingdom. He added algae, fungi, and bacteria into Plantae. Fifth, three kingdom classification. It was proposed by Haeckel. Algae, fungi, and protozoa was placed under Protista. Sixth, four kingdom classification. It was proposed by Copeland. He introduced a new kingdom known as Monera, which introduced prokaryotics like bacteria. Seventh, fifth kingdom classification. It was proposed by R.H. Whittaker. Multicellular saprophytics were placed under fungi. This is all we can summarize in a nutshell. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel to show us some support and never miss our any video by clicking on the bell icon. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.
Music